Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for once again. So today's video is going to be all about my favorite drugstore foundation at the moment. You guys should know that when it comes to foundation, drugstore is really out there. They have amazing foundation. When it comes to foundation, drugstore is really good. And today for this video in front of me, I have 7 foundation that I'm going to talk about and I love. They're from drugstore and they're really affordable. So the first foundation that I'm going to talk about, it's from Maybelline and this is their Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I'm holding 2 color because their shade range sucks. I had to put it in front just because without the shade range, this foundation is just amazing. It blends in your skin like a dream. Anything above this foundation also blend really nicely. This one is full coverage foundation, but you will not feel that you are wearing tons of makeup. As you guys know, I have like dry combo skin and sometimes lots of foundation, they really sit in my smile line and like beside my nose right here, but this foundation don't do that. This claims to be 24-hour foundation and it is really long wearing. I won't say like 24-hour. Okay, don't get me wrong, it do stay 24-hour, but like for 9 to 10 hour, you really don't need to do any kind of touch up or you will not see any problem at all. After 9 to 10 hour, you will see a little bit oily somewhere, like maybe you need to little bit to do like touch up, and that's pretty it. Without that and without the shade range, this foundation is #1 for me and I use it a lot, like a lot. The next foundation that I'm going to talk about, it's from LA Girl. This is their Pro Matte HD high definition long wear matte foundation. They do have another foundation that is like, I can't really remember the name. It's hydrating and it's supposed to be more dewy kind of foundation, and I also tried that, but I actually love this one more. And also with this foundation, I really don't like their shade selection. Like, you know, drugstore have only one problem, which is their shade range is not so great. A lots of their shade is really pinkish. I choose light tan, but still it's not a perfect match for me, but I can somehow make it work. If I want to go somewhere for all day long and do some work, then I will love to wear this foundation because this one lasts so long and still give you that flawless finish. Literally looks like your skin but a little bit matte and flawless. The coverage also really great. Now if you really feel like no, this foundation is really dry for you, what you can do is you can always mix some beauty oil with it, or maybe before you apply the foundation you can put some oil in your face and then go with it. I love it. The next foundation is from Revlon. This is their Photo Ready Candid Foundation. I don't know if I mentioned this in my channel before, but I really love the Photo Ready Candid Concealer. That one is like one of my favorite concealer from drugstore. So when I fall in love with the concealer, I was like, I must need to try this, and let me tell you, when I tried it, I also loved it. It is definitely not full coverage foundation, but it just, you know, balance out your skin very nicely. It's like more to natural finish. It also blends so easily, so I love this foundation. Alright, the next foundation is from Maybelline. This is their Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. This one's supposed to be a concealer and also a foundation. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. You can really build it up to full coverage, but you get a flawless finish with it. Have that matte dewy kind of finish. It looks so smooth in the skin that you look so flawless. You maybe need to work a little bit hard to blend it out just because it's really thick. And it also have a pretty good shade range, I think around 45 or something like that, which is good. But this is not like my everyday kind of foundation because it do a little bit like look like you are wearing foundation. But I love the finish, I love the coverage, and I love the way it make my skin look. So this is from Wet n Wild. This is their Photo Finish Foundation. This is not the dewy version, this is their standard version. Like for my everyday use, this foundation is just the best. It's not full coverage, it's more to light to medium coverage, but it balances out your skin so nicely. It's make your skin look so natural. It doesn't make you look like you are wearing a tons of makeup, not at all. It really look like your skin and you will never have any problem of blending, or whenever you apply like above of this foundation, anything else like any other concealer, contour, whatever, everything blends nicely. So I really love this foundation, and this is super affordable. So you are getting great quality foundation with a very affordable price. Next foundation is from Juvia's Palace. Is their I Am Magic foundation. Oh my god guys, if you want amazing full coverage foundation with affordable price, you must try this. This one, the coverage, insane. It's just amazing. Little goes a long way. Like, you just take a little bit and you just can cover almost all your face. I love to apply this foundation with beauty sponge because it gives me more flawless look. Normally this kind of full coverage foundation can be like a bit drying, can be like too much, but this one surprisingly don't do that. It's super full coverage, but you don't feel like you are wearing so much makeup or it dry down or it doesn't sit in my smile line. You don't feel all this problem with it. It's just amazing. Alright, so the last foundation is from Revlon. This is their Color Stay Full Coverage foundation. Now, I know this foundation didn't do so good. A lot of people don't like it. Like, it just not, you know, famous in a good way, but for me, I absolutely love this foundation. The only thing, it claimed to be 24-hour foundation. I just don't agree with that. It's not 24-hour foundation. It's more to like 9 to 10 hour. It will work good, but after that, not that good. I was really surprised when I saw the texture, and I actually saw it's giving me full coverage. Not only that, it also gives you really flawless finish, and it doesn't look heavy in your skin at all. It feels like your skin. It blends like a dream, and not only with beauty sponge or brush. You can literally apply this foundation with your finger and you will feel no different at all. As I say, I'm just not okay that it claims to be 24-hour, but definitely it's long wearing, which is like up to 9-10 hour. Not up to, I mean like 9-10 hour, which is pretty much good, you know. So these are the how many foundation? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 foundations. That's absolutely my favorite. All the foundation, guys, that I mentioned in today's video, all my personal favorite. I love them. I like, when I think about drugstore foundation, this 7 foundation is my favorite. It's my own opinion. Maybe for you it will be different because skin is really complicated thing. Like, maybe you have same skin like me, like dry, and the same problem like me, but then whatever is suiting me, it will not suit you, and that's completely fine. Alright guys, so this foundation was my personal favorite from drugstore. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys have any option that you think that they are great, like foundation option from drugstore, then do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you are not following me in my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and I also have a Facebook page, if you're not following me, then I have all the link in the description box below. Please do follow me. I post amazing video in Instagram, Snapchat, so you will definitely enjoy that. And guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. I really appreciate that. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.